Hello. So in this tutorial, we're going to go over a way that you can be using ORIGO a little bit differently than you have previously. I know that we do not yet have student books virtually for students, so I'm going to show you a way that you can screencast or cast your screen the student page and that they can go to a website at their home, type in the website, and be able to look at the page you're working on, and they'll have the same annotation tools that you have as a teacher on there and do the work. Again, they won't be able to save it necessarily and send it to you, but they can take a screenshot, a picture of it, and then text or email it to you or post in Google Classroom. At least this way they still can see the book you're using and have a virtual kind of tool to annotate that page. So starting on any page in Origo Stepping Stones, we can go to your grade level. So I'm going to go to grade 1, module 1, lesson 1, and steps. Here I'm going to be given the student pages, the student journal in color. And so a lot of times we download or copy and paste these pictures and these workbook pages to our Google Classroom. But if you look at the bottom left corner, you see the resources casting. So if I click that button and then there's a presenter and viewer, if I want to have my students be able to see this page and annotate it just like I am with pens and markers and things of that sort, I can go to presenter and that box right there. So it's get those letters. I can copy that code right there. The box tells me the page that students need to go to. So https www.origoslate.com/slatecast. If they type this into the browser, it'll give them an access code point right there, and then they'll need to put their name in. But they'll be able to see the same page that you're casting outside of you casting it. And so they can see this page. Here's the teacher's book, and here's the student logging in from any website, any device. They can see the page and they'll have the tools that you need. And this works on iPad and on Chromebooks also. They can pick a tool and they can annotate. So color 2 tennis rackets, color 1, color 2, color 6 baseballs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They can do the same activity. Though they can't save it from here, they could take a picture, they could if they're using a Chromebook or an iPad, take a screenshot or take a picture with the phone and submit it to class. This gives another kind of way for students to be using the manipulatives, the resource we have, without having to download it or print it. They can use this and work on it online virtually with these tools. Again, we're going from the homepage or any grade level homepage. Let's go to K, Module 1, Lesson 1, Lessons, Whole Class. We can go to the student page, Student Journal. And at the bottom, they're going to give us options. Presenter, viewer, either one works. And in the box that comes out a little bit more, right there. And then if I change the page, it changes what their students are going to see also. And again, they can't cut and paste from here, but they can certainly highlight and put numbers and words over on the side. Again, it's just another way to reach those students who may not have printers at home, who may have difficulty submitting assignments this way. They can use it and do all the work online virtually.